What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning into the Rogue Vet here. So it's another quick video, guys. There's a quick car show on this Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to make another video just because I haven't put out anything in probably like a month. So just another quick car video just so we can end off the year with another video before the new year starts. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. And greatly appreciate everything y'all do, and we'll be making more as soon as it comes. But let's go ahead and check out this car show. Alright, guys, so I'm pretty much here. I see a couple of my vet people, and I'm going to get a little bit of the shots here, as you can see. But there's our squad right there, a couple of them.